Good morning, students. Hope you're doing fine. Today, teacher Gustavo is going to explain your homework on page 53, okay, exercise number 4. So get your Bernoulli English books and let's get started. Okay, today our homework has two parts. Temos duas partes da tarefa and it's about timetable. Okay, look at the timetable. This exercise is about a timetable, and the other one that you're going to do in your notebook is also about your timetable at IP. But I'm going to explain you later. Let's do this one first. Exercise number 4. Look at the timetable and answer. Students, you already know that this is a timetable, quadro de horários de aulas. Yes, so here is the time. For example, these classes are in the afternoon. Aqui são aulas da tarde. 1 p.m. on Monday, geography with Mr. Michaels. 1:50 Portuguese, okay? 2:40 history, that's on Monday. And then 3:30 there is a break, intervalo. 3:50 another class, mathematics with Mrs. Sanders. And then 4:40 p.m. science class with Mr. Andrews. That's on Monday. What about Tuesday? Science, math, Portuguese, and then there is a break, and then English, history. What about on Wednesday? Portuguese, English, math, and then there is a break, and art, PE, okay, physical education, PE. What about the classes on Thursday? What are they? Art, and then science, and then math. There is a break, geography, Portuguese, and then on Friday, the first class is English, and then Portuguese, and then PE, and there is a break, and then science and math. So students, look at the timetable, read, okay, the days of the week and what classes and what are the classes for each day, and then answer the questions. Agora responda as perguntas. When is the Portuguese class? Okay, students, this is not about you. This is somebody's timetable. This is not yours, okay? So, when is the Portuguese class? Lembrando, então, aqui não são as suas aulas, os seus professores. Aqui é uma timetable de um aluno, de alguém. Nós vamos responder conforme esta timetable, ok? A outra tarefa que o teacher vai falar agorinha, aí sim, será sobre você e a sua timetable at EP, ok? So students, letter A. When is the Portuguese class? So take a look. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, is there any Portuguese class on Monday? Yes, here, Portuguese, Monday, yes, Portuguese, Tuesday, yes, there is Portuguese, Wednesday, another Portuguese class, Thursday, yes, Portuguese, and Friday. Students, there are Portuguese classes every day, okay? When is the Portuguese class? So let's write here. When is the Portuguese class? On Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, okay? Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, okay? But you can also, students, you can also write that the Portuguese class, they are, okay, they are from Monday to Friday. From Monday to Friday. Aqui você contempla toda a semana. Okay, all days of the week, from Monday to Friday. They are as aulas de português, the Portuguese classes. They are from Monday to Friday. De segunda a sexta, ok? Fica mais fácil. But you can also answer, they are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's also correct, okay? Letter B, when is the geography class? So students, that is what you're going to do. Take a look at the timetable and answer the questions, all right? When is the geography class? Who is the English teacher? When is the art class? Who is the math teacher? Who is the history teacher? So here you have the name of the subject and the name of the teacher, okay? So all the information that you need are in this timetable. Toda a informação que você precisa para responder está aí no timetable. Os nomes das disciplinas, matérias, os nomes dos professores, quem é quem. This is the first part of your homework, okay? Now let's go to the second part of your homework. All right, students, so this is the second part of your homework, okay? You're going to do it in your notebook. Esta segunda parte você fará no caderno. Yes. This is your timetable, fourth grade at IP. Este é o seu quadro de horários do IP. Now you're going to answer about you, about your timetable. Okay, so what classes do you have on Monday? What are your classes on Monday? So the first class, if you study in the morning, it starts at 7:15 to 8:05. So what is your first class? Qual a primeira aula on Monday? If you study in the afternoon, se estuda à tarde, 1:15 p.m. to 5 p.m. Então, what is your first class on Monday? And the second class. All right, and then students, every day we have a break. Temos intervalo, 2 classes and then a break. And then what is your third, fourth, and fifth classes on Monday? Then you're going to write Tuesday. What are your classes on Tuesday? And Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday. So just complete the chart, complete the timetable according to your routine at school. Okay? And then, students, you're going to answer about your timetable. Ok? Assim como no exercício lá do livro que você fez sobre o quadro de horários de algum aluno, agora você fará do seu quadro de horários, sobre o seu quadro de horários, your timetable. So now, students, answer the questions about you and your timetable. So for letter A, when are your English classes? Okay, so they are on Mondays and Wednesdays. For example, this is just an example. They are on Mondays and Thursdays. This is another example. They are on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Ok? Cada quarto ano tem aulas de inglês em dias diferentes. Então, cada turma aí, cada aluno coloque conforme a sua turma, ok? O seu horário. What time is your break? Look, students, break, intervalo. What time is your break? If you study in the morning, and if you study in the afternoon, take a look at the time. What time is your break? Qual o horário do intervalo? Ó, do matutino e do vespertino. Okay? Who is your physical education teacher? Who is your PE teacher? All right. What is your favorite subject? And when is your art class? Ok? Teacher Gustavo doesn't know when is your art class. You have to show me. Show me your timetable and tell me when is your art class. Okay? That's it, students. So this is something that you're going to do in your notebook. Você fará no caderno, tá? Desenhe. Pode desenhar este quadro lá no seu caderno e preencher as informações, your timetable. Se for possível, você quiser imprimir esse pedaço só do quadro aqui, pode. E aí você cole lá no caderno e depois copie e responda as perguntas. All right, students. So that is your homework. Exercise 4 on page 53 from the book. Okay. And this one, your timetable at IP that you're supposed to do in your notebook. Okay, so students, that's it. We're going to correct it later. Okay, so thank you. Bye-bye.